Hello, good afternoon to you. Welcome to Business. The Bank of Ghana would today start receiving proceeds from 4 separate bonds sold last week. Joy Business understands about 5.1 billion cedis would hit the central bank's account from investors who participated in the bond. George Wiafe has more.
3 separate bonds were reopened, whilst a fresh 5-year bond was also sold last Thursday. Government got 496 million Ghana cedis from the 7-year paper, 2.6 billion cedis from the 10-year bond, and 1.3 billion Ghana cedis from the 15-year bond, whilst the fresh 5-year paper got 740 million Ghana cedis, totaling about 5.1 billion Ghana cedis. Proceeds from these bonds will go a long way to boost the Bank of Ghana's reserves, as foreign investors who expressed interest in buying these bonds are expected to bring in some dollars. This should go a long way to help the Ghana cedi, which is yet to firmly stabilize against the dollar, despite previous assurances from the Bank of Ghana. Some major forex bureaus in the capital over the weekend are selling a dollar at 4 Ghana cedis, 70 pesos, inching closer to the 5 cedi mark. The situation could get worse if the Bank of Ghana doesn't increase supply onto the market, as more companies seek dollars to finance their imports for early next year. Most commercial banks have told Joy Business that their daily requests are still not being met by the Bank of Ghana. It is not clear for now why the central bank is not increasing its support for banks, despite the significant dollar reserves they have built up over the past month.
Away from that, prices of petroleum products at the pumps are expected to remain fairly stable up until the end of February next year. It follows government's decision to use some of the monies accrued from the stabilization levy to cushion the impact of the hikes on consumers. The development would result in government taking 7 pesos out of the 10 pesos that is currently levied on prices of petroleum products. Joy Business understands prices should have witnessed some marginal increase at the pump this week, but the move would leave prices unchanged at the pumps for a while. We'll get the views of some industry players to this particular decision shortly on the marketplace. And that's it for Business. My name is Emmanuel Abuaji Wiafe. Have a good afternoon.